How to sharpen a lawnmower blade in minutes. Today I will show you on this Bosch Rotak, but the method will be similar on other lawnmowers. I've put the mower upside down and we're just doing this 3-inch main cutting area, and we are just going to be using a basic file to do it. I'm also leaving the blade on. If you ever wanted to change the blade or remove it for using a grinder, for example, you can lock the motor using a screwdriver in this hole. This allows you then to use a socket to undo the securing bolt. Okay, it's time to sharpen the blade. This is the first time it's ever been done, and the other end is worse than this one. I'll show you that in a second. Try and keep a constant angle with the file just slightly tilted, and I just filed each end for around 90 seconds. Okay, that feels really sharp now. And don't worry if you haven't got a perfectly straight edge, it doesn't matter. This other end is much more beat up. It's never going to be as tidy as the first end. But it will still get really sharp using the file like this. Again, this isn't going to be straight, but it will definitely cut the grass better.